Hi everyone, I'm Christy from Ballast. Here we are at stage 5. Today we'll see together a very important gem of our configurator, namely the positioning of the obstacles on the roof. So as you can see, I have already created a project with a building inside that has many obstacles on the roof. To place the obstacles after creating our building, we select the 2D mode. Then we select our building and select transparency so that we can view the obstacles present. Once the transparency has been inserted, let's see together what are the models of obstacles that the configurator offers, which can be inserted on the roof. In our drop-down menu, the far right key is the obstacle menu key. And here we will find the most popular roof obstacles, then the doors, and finally the trees. We now select together the obstacle we want to insert it. By selecting it, another drop-down menu will appear where we could insert, if we know them, the precise measurements of our show. In our case, we select an x dimensions of 3 and a z dimensions of 1.5. If necessary, the offset measurements can also be varied. The offset is the area around the obstacle where we do not want to position our panels. With the arrow, then, we can go insert it on the cover. By selecting the object, we then have the functions to be able to translate, duplicate, scale, and possibly eliminate it. And with the quote function, on the other hand, we can check the distance of our obstacle from the coverage. If we don't have the measurement of our obstacle, we can use the scale function to resize the object directly on the roof. And this will make things much more easier. In addition to this opening, we also insert another type of obstacle together, selecting the volume, and once inserted, we clamp it. So now we enter 3D mode. In this mode, we can also vary the height. Now, with the duplicate function, we can duplicate our object and then enter the amount of times we want to duplicate it. We can then eventually move them to our liking. And now with the 3D function, we can go and view our coverage with all the obstacles we have entered. So in this case, always with the same method, we can also insert trees. Now that's where our coverage ended with all the obstacles in place, but our journey together didn't end here. See you in the next video tutorial to see the products and catalogs together.